Myself Nilima, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make a frame for this beautiful glass painting. This was the first glass painting I made, but today as we are going to frame a glass painting, so I'm going to start it with this beautiful glass painting which I have made. You will view it how to make this glass painting in forward videos. Okay, so let's start the video. I have made this painting using this Xerox, and I'll obviously show you the trick how to make it. So let's start. For making a frame for glass painting, you will need a piece of cardboard. Okay, I have cut this cardboard according to the size of this painting. Okay, this is the main frame which I'm going to make. Use it as a frame. In forward, I'll teach you how to make frames out of cardboards. So here I have already prepared a frame, a very simple frame using the same cardboard piece. I have wrapped a rope, thin rope around the whole frame, and after that I have colored it according to my glass painting. So let's see. We'll frame this one next time. Okay, for this, to paint this cardboard, you'll need few fabric colors. In this I have used metallic gold, this is it, and yellow. First of all, I have painted it with yellow, and after that I have applied the metallic gold. Okay, let's see, using this brush obviously. First of all, on the cardboard piece, we'll measure it, that is it totally perfect for it. Okay, this is our cardboard frame and the base cardboard on which we are going to coat it with aluminium foil. It is easily available in the market. Okay, as you can see, there are two kind of textures we can use. One is which have got this kind of cramps, and second the plain one. So I'll show you the cramps one in next video, but at this present video we are going to use the plain texture because it was looking more beautiful. You can select it according to your painting, which kind of texture do you want it in a background. Why we are putting this, the reason is because it gives a very beautiful reflection. When the light falls on it, it gives a very beautiful reflection. Otherwise you can see it's very simple, and when you put it on the aluminium foil, it will give a very beautiful reflection. So this time we are selecting the plain texture instead of the cramps. The cramps also looks very beautiful. This time I was just thinking to use a plain. Should I use the cramp or the plain? Okay, I'll use the plain one this time. Okay, so we have to cut it according to measurements. Very plain texture. I'm cutting it. I'll apply it on the cardboard using Fevicol. Yes, it is the easiest way. You can also use glue gun. At present, I'll be using Fevicol. Okay, it's ready to apply. You will need this shinier base to be on. Okay, make it smooth. Turn it. Oh, this side is a bit messier one because I did not use it, so it doesn't matter. so it will be behind the wall, so it totally won't matter to you. Okay, so your base is ready to use now. If there is any kind of mess, you can clean it using some cloth or something. At present I'm using my hand. Okay, here it is. After that we'll place the painting on it. Okay, we need not stick the painting because it will be fixed by our frame. See, this is the frame. So this is matching with the painting. Obviously it's a very cheap one, you won't need much money to make it. Yes, and the next part to attach this frame, you can also use obviously your Fevicol. This time I'm going to use my two-side tape, it would be more easier. Because the two-side tape will stick the painting properly as well as it will stick the frame. You can also use your glue gun to do this. Fix it properly. Measurements, and yes. As there is extended part on this side, we are going to cut it to give the finishing to our frame. You have to always use a very good scissor in your craft works, okay? So you may get the perfect finishing as you want. Ta-da! This is ready. You can use it for the second side. Yes, I say. Okay, now let's remove the parts. Okay, as this tape is very strong, so you'll get only one chance to fix your frame on proper place. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so we have successfully placed our frame on the two-side tape, and here the frame is ready. See, you have to press it. Yes, press it properly. Okay, you need not look behind the frame because already the frame is so beautiful. We have made few mistakes as it is our first time, but yes, our frame is ready. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.